Today I want to teach you how to make breakups less painful. But before we get into that, I just want to set the foundation so we're all on the same page. Breakups are not reserved only for romantic partners. You can break up with any person, any place, any pattern. What does that mean? Well, you can break up with a coworker, a family member, a friend. You can break up with a job. You can break up with a home, a city, right? A country. You can decide to move abroad. You can also break up with patterns. You can break up with limiting beliefs, fear of failure, or just behaviors, maybe doom scrolling at the end of the night, right? So breakups can happen with anything because relationships exist everywhere. So because relationships exist everywhere, breakups can occur. The other thing I want to just call out is breakups are a neutral event. Breakups are like synonymous to change. So change happens or change is happening. That's what a breakup is. Just breakups are happening or a breakup has happened. It's not positive, negative, right, wrong, good, bad. It's just this event. And so I want to talk about the 3 things to watch out for so that if you are going through a breakup, you can make it feel less painful. And the first one is attachment. So if you find yourself feeling heartache from a change that's happening, a breakup that's happening, start to look where you're attached to something. Are you attached to something that was? Are you attached to something that could have been? Attachment tends to come from having a story in our head, right? We were thinking about something and we're attached to that, maybe romanticizing what was. So if you feel that you're hurting from a breakup or feeling confused from a breakup, one thing you can do is look for where am I attaching to what was or what could have been. The second thing is expectations. So expectations are similar to trying to control something, right? There was an expectation for how something should have been. Expectations can also come through shoulds. It should have happened this way or it should have gone that way. So again, if you find yourself feeling pain from a breakup that has happened or is happening, start to question, where am I having expectations around what should have been or should have not been? Where am I wanting to control or move things to? Now, this third one can really be applied just to breakups and to anything in life. If you can get to a point where the third one is judgment, where you don't judge what is in front of you, that is going to make your life so much lighter, so much easier. Because here's what happens. There is this neutral event, this objective event that is in front of us. And what we do is we look at that and we want to categorize it. We want to know how to move forward. And so when we see this thing, we look at our past and we start to explore where in our life has this happened, or where in someone else's life that I know has this happened. And then we project it onto this neutral event. And if we say this is bad, we are going to have bad feelings and we are going to take actions associated to a bad feeling. So if you are feeling pain from a breakup, this is your opportunity to look, am I judging something about this event? Am I telling myself this is bad? Because if you say it's bad, it's going to feel bad. But if you can find a way to make it feel good, then you'll probably start to feel good and start to take actions associated with good. So judgment, as I said, it's best not to judge anything as good or bad, but you can use it in the sense of, okay, instead of saying something is bad, what if you said it's good? How would that start to change? And you might have some resistance because of the attachment and the expectations. And so these 3 things all kind of play together. But if you can truly understand when you are going through a period of discomfort, of pain because of a breakup, because of change, if you can look at it and say, where is the attachment? Where are the expectations? And where is the judgment? You are going to be much better off for dissolving that pain much more quickly and being able to move on with your life and be able to alchemize this breakup, this what could be a painful thing, into something that is so beautiful and so beneficial for you. So go and play with that. See where you have the attachment, see where you have the expectations, see where you have the judgment, and see how you can turn that into something that is going to support you so that breakups start to become a neutral event, something you actually look forward to because you are in control of it, you are leading it, versus you being a victim to it. Okay, I hope this helps. And if you have any questions, as always, just either comment below or reach out to me.